Hey Niklas, yes, welcome again to our booth, faytech CES 2026. And I'm super happy to have Galya on our booth from HumanBeam, and I think best let's give her the mic and she can tell us what's all about here.
Hi, so what do we see here?
It's very nice to meet you. I hope the guys are enjoying the CES show. We are here at HumanBeam and we give AI a body. And we don't just give AI a body, we also give AI a body in 3D, which means that we're using this beam box in order to have a body for an AI that is trained on specific knowledge base. This guy here is actually a travel guide, and we work with different hospitality and different resorts that customers are able to come into the AI companion and get all the information.
So it's actually an AI chatbot, interactive?
It is. But you know the difference between a chatbot and an AI companion? So let me tell you. So a chatbot, for example, ChatGPT is highly, highly advanced, but if you don't make it agentic, it's going to give you the information and you have to do all the work. Imagine that you step into a hotel, imagine that you step into a clinic and you're able to talk to a walking, talking AI and it becomes your companion, which means that if I say to Dave, and please you can use it on our app, you can download the HumanBeam TalkToMeAI app, and I can say to Dave, for example, I want to travel. Go ahead.
And they just talk fully smoothly, high volume can be, and just interact with the chatbot,
so this guy
AI
here,
avatar.
Absolutely. This guy here, we work with universities, and we do actually. There you go.
Yeah.
So we do simulations for universities that they want to train the students. This is Michael. He's actually a patient in a very ER environment in a hospital.
Scenarios like a homeless patient.
So he's a homeless patient and he wants to see a doctor in a very busy hospital, right? And when we work with universities for them to train their students on the different programs, you can create the avatar, give it the knowledge for the specific program, and it's able to interact with the students. And that's what it means AI companion, because it guides you through the situation that you're trying to solve a certain problem for your business. She is actually part of, we're in Smart City right now, right? This is our Smart City booth. Imagine for cities, you can have a career coach and a job coach. So people can talk to Jenny. Jenny can help them to transition in a job. Jenny can help them find different job opportunities, and it can talk endless.
Nice. That means a promotion. It can run on a powerful GPU that's inside the box, and it just has all this functionality in there?
Absolutely. So actually this is device agnostic. So this works on an app. So we've got our TalkToMeAI app that people can download. So if you, I can give you the information later, you can share with your audience. And when you talk to them, so I'll give you an example, right? I've got another company. In my company, we build a different integration AI for businesses. I didn't have time to do the sales, so she's doing the sales for me.
And she could be like on your website or right there.
There you go, right there. This is me in AI mode. And when you start a conversation with her, so unfortunately we do need internet connection, so let's hope this is going to work, but you can try it at home as well. When you talk to Galya, she can recognize how you look, how you feel, and if you're interested in HumanBeam, she's going to grab your information because we don't have time to do sales. Hey Galya, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks. I know you're pressed for time, so let's keep it short and focused.
Okay, Galya, can you tell me who created you?
I'm an AI avatar built by HumanBeam, the team behind our conversational and immersive avatar technology.
Nice. Galya, parlez-vous français, pour favor?
Bien sûr, je suis prête à répondre en français.
Do you have another language you speak?
Le McDonald's ou Burger King, c'est quoi le meilleur?
Les deux sont populaires.
Okay, both are good. Yeah, that's true. All right, so that's that. So,
אתה רוצה שתדבר בעברית אולי? I'm now speaking in Hebrew. תוכל לדבר איתי בעברית בבקשה?
Both are solid choices.
yeah, Hebrew and French, both are good.
All 27 languages.
So these screens are available?
So I'm really super happy about all these AI agents, and let's say faytech, we are proud that we are the hardware supplier, and that's it. We love displays, we love technology, and so we are super happy that we are then the backbone to provide this hardware-wise. Yeah.
And there's so much potential for this. I guess there's a lot of interest in the industry to get a bunch of these.
Yeah, absolutely. So you can really implement this for different industries. Here you see the healthcare industry. When you go to different clinics and you're so overwhelmed with all the different options, not only can you do the check-in for you, she can actually give a lot of the information that simply the staff cannot do. So you take all of the mundane tasks and you give it to an AI, and at any point in time, you can beam in a live person, like a real nurse or a real doctor. Right?
You can take the stress out of the situation also. You can have a conversation about side effects or whatever
Absolutely.
before you go to the operation, and she can talk to you about all the truth about what might happen, not happen, and everything.
Absolutely.
And just calm you down.
Absolutely. And another thing I wanted to say, this guy is real, right? So he's an actual public speaker leadership coach. What we do is we do intent-based advertisements. So when you download his AI course, right? So he works with HumanBeam to be able to provide AI course for leadership. We can detect what the person is talking about with the avatar and surface advertisements for the business to regain more money simply from the conversation with the AI. So it can suggest different things once the AI understands what you need.
Nice. You can have these at the reception in companies, like so to alleviate. There's so much alleviation of costs in the company to do this in the right way.
Absolutely. And I just want to add that we're not here to replace humans. We're here to amplify them. You don't want that tired nurse. You don't want the tired concierge. We were just checking in on the Mandalay, right, in Vegas at like 11:30 p.m. at night. There were only like 3 representatives, and we had to fiddle with their app. We didn't know what to do. In the end, we had to talk to the human. Imagine they can talk to an AI that looks like a human and just has all the patience in the world and give you all the information.
And for example, a nurse doesn't want to spend all her time doing administrative work.
Exactly.
She just want to be a nurse.
Exactly.
So all this kind of like little questions and stuff, it's maybe not the most fun part of being a nurse.
Exactly. And you want to amplify the humans. You don't want to make them tired, right? You want them to do the best job that they can, which is to care for people.
And what's the quality you can do? Can you do full 4K? Very high quality?
I think for the quality I go. This is an 86-inch with a 4K display, and we have it a slightly increased brightness. It has over 1,000 nits that you see it nicely. And all our things like the optical bonding, the touch. This is our knowledge, but we are super happy to empower with this partners like HumanBeam. And you asked before, it's ready. Just go ordering from Galya.
So
contact
people
them.
Can scan this QR code. When you scan the QR code, you have all the information on our website. We give people free sessions. If they're interested for their business, they can contact me directly. We'll give them more free sessions, and we'd love to hear about their use case of how they can make the future more human with AI.